Evidently, each one of the principles that we just stated is rooted within social justice and basic economic fairness. Because when we talk about developing economic drivers for our state and being able to have the sustainable revenue that we need while also providing employment opportunities and business ownership opportunities to people of color and our communities of color, this is what cannabis legalization allows us to do. Because this is a multi-layered issue. And it's also a multi-layered solution to addressing the lack of funding that comes with our public schools, the lack of funding that comes with healthcare. And at the same time, we have seen across the country over a dozen states that have legalized cannabis, but they do it in a way that ignores the needs of the individuals, the communities that have been impacted by the war on drugs. We have seen cannabis legalized in ways that cater to the needs of big businesses and corporate lobbyists. And this is why it is so important that we are standing here today as a united front of legislators, a united front of grassroots organizers who are here standing up and saying that when we legalize cannabis, because it is no longer a question of if, it is now a question of when. When we legalize cannabis, we're going to do it in a just way. We're going to ensure that we expunge records regarding cannabis offenses. We're going to ensure that there are worker cooperative opportunities. Workers are able to unionize in their workplaces. We have a fair sales tax that is not regressive to working people. And most of all, we're going to legalize cannabis in a way that allows us to generate the necessary revenue for our state to move forward and be competitive. Because we often make arguments inside of the state house about the economic drivers of the legislation that we put forward, such as, again, being able to expand healthcare, being able to ensure that our public schools are well invested in. And through this multi-layered solution, this comprehensive plan that we have detailed and worked with other legislators, worked with grassroots organizations, we hope that members of leadership will listen to some of our needs and be able to come up together with a piece of legislation that, again, is comprehensive and focused not only on the social justice aspects, the economic aspects, but most importantly, the plans and the aspects that are going to benefit the working class of Rhode Island, which is the vast majority of the people that reside here in this state. Thank you.